Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we're gonna learn today how to fix this XAMPP MySQL issue. So this is again a new video on this top on particular this SQL issue. So whenever you are trying to start the XAMPP, you might have faced or you will be facing this error, MySQL shutdown unexpectedly error. So this will occur due to uncertain closes, or maybe unexpectedly you close the exam, or maybe sometimes it will occur automatically due to some technical reasons. So that moment you just need to do only few steps which we're going to learn today step by step. So what you have to do is basically once you hit on the start button, you start showing the uh, XAMPP start showing this error, then you just need to go to files, and then what you need to do is, like, I've just created this folder. I've just fixed this issue, that's the reason I have created this old folder. So I'll just show you how to do this one. Basically you need to copy and paste the same data folder here, so it will be shown as data hyphen copy, but you need to rename that one according to your understanding, which I've did it like this, data underscore old. Then you need to go to data folder. Inside that, if you have faced the issue, then you need to delete MySQL folder, performance schema folder, phpMyAdmin folder, and test folder. You need to delete these four folders. Along with that, you need to delete all the files except this ib data 1. Okay, delete these files. Go back to backup folder, copy all this folder and files except the ib data 1, because we had it one, we didn't delete that one, right? So go to that, copy these things, go to the data folder again, paste it here, right? Once after pasting this file, you close this off, go to exam folder and try to hit start. Boom, your exam will start running as usual. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the channel and videos, and please ping your issue in the comment box so that I can create a new video on the particular topic.